Right, it's the Solo Lite wood burning stove. I've just made a vegetable stew. Let's see what it's like in a minute. I think it's just about done. Yeah, it's used. I've used all the wood up now. So there are, yes, it will boil. Look, that was nearly a litre of mixed vegetables and water. It didn't take that long, but extremely smoky. I've had to move it outside because it's just. I had it in the conservatory, even with the doors open. There's too much smoke. It's not going to do it now, is it? Is it simmering? So I've used some this kindling wood. I had to cut it up into smaller bits and feed the fire, but anyway, there it is. We shall because the pan is now it's extremely black, but they seem to be done. I've got carrot, potato, parsnip. It's the parsnip that takes longer. It's probably alright. Parsnip can be tough anyway if you're not careful, so. Anyway, I'll see. It's dying down now. And when it's cooled down, we can just tip the ashes into the waste bin. Right. Before this, I made some tea, which is in a flask. That was all right. So yeah, so that's the day's midday meal. Anyway, there it is. I put it into I took it out of there and I put it in a soup dishes, which is what I normally do. This is my second helping. I think I made too much. I forgot. Only about 3/4 of a litre, not a full litre. So it's basically potato, parsnip, carrot, onion, all chopped up, and a vegetable stock pot. And it's I made too much. The stock pot is a bit watered down, so I'm having to add a bit of extra salt and stuff because you don't normally have to do that. But anyway, there it is. It works. There is that there. We'll let him cool down and then we can put him away. I'm not sure it's the sort of thing I want to do very often because it's a right palaver. And I've got a splinter in my thumb as well, cutting the wood up. So it's hazardous. It can be extremely smoky. I thought the smoke alarm was going to go off because there's all filling up in the conservatory, despite the fact that all the windows and the doors open. So I say I had to move it outside, put it on a little table and put it outside because it was blowing in. So really, yeah, if you don't mind the wood smoke, then okay, but it is quite quite dirty. But anyway, right, I'm going to finish this up and have some tea, which is, as I say, it is in this flask, what I made earlier, and that's the day's lunch all done. All right, laters.